Hello parents. I wanted to do a quick video to actually show you how to access my Google Classroom for summer learning on Fridays. As I stated to you in my Class Dojo message on yesterday, that I did a quick how to with the scholars on yesterday, and I did one on today as well to show them how to access a Google Classroom. However, I wanted to also show you how to do that as well. So I am going to open up another tab here, if my computer will cooperate with me. And I want to show you what it looks like. This, I should have already bookmarked your scholar's computer with my summer learning class. I believe that I did every scholar's computer. For whatever reason that I didn't, please forgive me. But it should be bookmarked, and it should look like this. That says Miss Deal Summer Learning Class. Okay. If I did not bookmark it, and again, I'm apologizing if I did not, you can always go to the 9 dots that's here in the corner, and you can click Classroom. Okay. So I'm just going to click Classroom just to show you that feature. All right. Once you go to Classroom, you should actually see my class here, Miss Deal Summer Learning. All right. Before I get into how the stuff for Friday, I want to show you something else. I also provided a Friday summer learning schedule for you that you could take a look at to see what Friday looked like. Here it is. Okay. And I'm just going to close that out now. And now, so once you're here, and I show the scholars how to do that, you will actually go to Classwork. When you go to Classwork, you see here it says Miss Deal's morning meeting. When you click Miss Deal's morning meeting, you will go here, another Google slide. And then now you will click the arrow, the red arrow. And not everything wants to pop up. I apologize. And once you click that red arrow, you should see my my Zoom pop up here. Computer worked with me this afternoon. And there it takes you right in. You know, you click open Zoom meeting, boom, it takes you to Zoom. So I'm going to cancel this because I don't want to go in Zoom. I'm literally clicking. I promise you I am. And then now, so I have things broken down for the day. And I'm going to click back here to class. I'm going to go here to June 18th, asynchronous assignments. All right. So for here where it says the field trip Fridays, we will actually do this together in class. We will watch this YouTube video together. But if your scholar is unable to attend the Zoom on tomorrow morning for whatever reason, they can always go back and access this themselves and look at this video. Okay. Any other Field Trip Fridays, if you guys are not logging on that particular morning, I will have it here available for them to watch it on their own. Okay. But we will actually do it themselves together. All right. And then before I let them go for morning meeting, I will also show them all their assignments for the day. So after we watch this video together, they will have an assignment to do in Seesaw. And here it is. I know y'all like Seesaw again. Yeah, it just makes it easier for virtual learning for our scholars to navigate. So here's their assignment in Seesaw, where they have to draw a picture of their favorite plant from that video and then record, click the microphone and record and tell us what that favorite plant was, as well as attempt to write the name of that favorite plant. Okay, I'm going to close that out. All right, there's another assignment. I have also assigned them a word work activity to do, and yes, it's also in Seesaw, where they will actually be doing CVC words, word family words, just a little practice to just keep their minds fresh with those word family words. Okay. Next, scroll on down here. There is also a math assignment, which is actually math addition game with ABC of Math. Okay. And then lastly, we have an assignment. It's called Plants, Plants, Plants. This is also connected to Seesaw as well. And scholars will if the scholars click on the sun, the penguin, and I believe here the soil, there are 3 videos that are linked to those 3 items. And then once again, they will click the microphone and record 3 facts that they learned about plants. Okay. And then finally, the last thing to do for a Synchronous Friday is that they get to choose 3 fun activities to do on their own. We have 2 stories for them to listen to by Kevin Hanks, because we read Chrysanthemum by that same author this week. We have a blend song, syllable songs, because we were talking about blends and syllables this week, and also counting. All right. So that is a quick little tutorial on how to access my summer learning Google Classroom. Again, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me via Class Dojo. And those of you who have my number, I will take your phone calls and text messages as well. Hope this video was somewhat helpful to you. All right.